Hi, 1 week to go, and we'll be back together when we'll have a chance to just revise for the topic test, which will be on the 23rd of June. That's the last week of term, so be prepared for that. So today we're going to lesson 25, so let's do that. And it's about blood type. Prior to DNA uh, analysis, for proving who was the mum and dad, we often use blood type. Interesting. Do you know what your blood type is? So what we wanted you to do today is your theory book. That will be section 5 on page 22. We have a video, so that's the video there, blood type. Watch that. Then go back to section 5 on page 23 and do the questions. Once you've done that, you can always look at and check your answers. Okay, so there's a solution to that section. And then finally, a little bit more practice on codominance. Remember, that's when two traits are equally likely to occur. So we use both capital. We either have, and we'll have what's called Rowan's, the black and white cows and so forth. So there's a worksheet, and one of those, of course, is the solution. And that'll be it for today. So that's lesson 25. Getting close to the end, section 5 of your booklet. Have a good day. And remember, if you need any help, just give me an email. Drop me an email. Cheers.